Connecticut Science Fair is a group of volunteers that work to bring awards and recognition to the young people in our state.
The Connecticut Science Fair started 64 years ago. The fair has evolved from a much smaller fair to a couple hundred projects to now what we see is usually around the order of 500 projects. The students have become much more sophisticated with their projects. We see a lot of use of higher levels of technology, a lot of different types of instrumentation, a lot of different collaborations with universities, with different companies involved in the students' projects.
Well, it depends on really the specific gravity.
The people that are involved with me, a lot of them are from UTC, and many teachers are involved. It's really, everybody's driven by the same thing. You go out there and talk to those kids, you know what I'm talking about.
We have fair alumni that are now actually UTC employees. Actually, our director of our fair is a UTC employee who was a fair winner himself.
As a result of winning the science fair in 1958 and 59, the director of research at UTRC invited me to come, and I'm quoting him, to play in his sandbox. We have some kids in there who have designed a better design for a Boeing aircraft to increase its fuel efficiency by 20% when it's climbing and descending.
We were at McGuire Air Force Base and we were talking to a KC-135 pilot, and he was telling us how at different altitudes and different speeds how he had to refuel with other planes. We started to get to thinking of how inefficient this really is.
The current winglet, which Boeing currently uses, is about 3 to 4% fuel savings. With our Falcon tip, which is what we call our design, is about 10% fuel savings throughout the entire flight compared to a normal wing, and about 6% improvement from the current Boeing design. And we worked with mentors from UTC companies like Sikorsky and Pratt & Whitney.
It was really amazing how we were able to learn a lot from our mentors, and also how we were able to implement this into bringing innovative ideas from ourselves.
Do I need to tell you more?
UTC wants high technical standards. We need good technical people, and really that starts when the students are in that secondary level of education. So we see this talent being developed, and once you know these kids and you watch them progress during their career as students, when they come ready for a job, their names come to mind because you're familiar with the type of work that they do.